Differin Gel is a brand name for a skincare ingredient called Adapalene. Adapalene belongs to a group of very powerful skincare ingredients called retinoids. In skincare, retinoids are also called as vitamin A derivatives. Retinoids help our skin renew faster. That means they smooth out the rough texture, reduce the pimples. They basically help the skin look clearer and younger. Now, Adapalene in skincare can be used in two concentrations, 0.01% and 0.3%. 0.3% cannot be used without a doctor's prescription. 0.1% Adapalene, however, can be bought off the shelf, and Differin carries 0.1% Adapalene. Though the video is about the review of Differin Gel, the reason I'm talking a lot about Adapalene is the main ingredient of Differin Gel is Adapalene. So whatever benefits this 0.1% Adapalene is going to bring to the skin is what Differin Gel is going to bring to the skin. Now, our skin has tiny openings called pores, and in this pores, dead cells which are supposed to fall off the skin but don't fall off can go and clog the pores, and excess oil in our skin can go and clog the pores as well, and this clogging is the beginning of all acne. Now, Adapalene, the way it basically works like a trainer, a little coach for our cells. It gives messages to these cells, a set of instructions to behave properly. Old cells which are supposed to fall off but are not falling off, it forces them to fall off. So when these old cells are gone, the clogging of the pores also disappears, so the formation of the pimple, the acne, all that stops. Adapalene also calms the inflammation, reduces the redness and the irritation on our skin. And this again is really helpful for acne-prone skin. By getting rid of those old cells, it's removing the clogging. Clogging is where the acne starts, and by reducing the inflammation, that's a problem which a lot of acne-prone skin struggle with. So that inflammation is gone, so all the redness and the swelling that comes with it is also gone. Retinoids in skincare are classified into different generations based on how and why they were developed for our skin. Now, the first generation of retinoid, the strongest retinoid there is Tretinoin. Now, the second generation of retinoids, we don't need to worry about it because it's not used in skincare. Now, the third generation of retinoid, it's the most recent one, and that's where Adapalene fits in. Now, Tretinoin, which is the strongest of the first generation retinoid, though it's really powerful on our skin, it can also irritate our skin a lot. Adapalene works almost very similar to Tretinoin, but it doesn't come with all that irritation that Tretinoin carries with it. And that's really helpful because this irritation is what makes many people stop using Tretinoin. Now, Adapalene works almost the same way but with less irritation, so that makes it really powerful ingredient in skincare. And another very good feature of Adapalene is that it's photostable. So when it's exposed to air and light, it continues to be stable, and this is really useful and helpful when it's used in skincare products. And another thing is benzol peroxide is another ingredient which is really helpful for acne-prone skin. So for benzol peroxide, if it is actually combined with Tretinoin, which is the most powerful skincare ingredient under retinoids, the first generation, if it's combined with Tretinoin, it can actually irritate the skin in a major way. Whereas Adapalene can be used in combination with benzol peroxide. It causes no irritation to our skin. So you've got two powerful ingredients for acne-prone skin, benzol peroxide and Adapalene, working side by side with no irritation that Tretinoin, if it's working with benzol peroxide, can cause to the skin. And it's a combination of benzol peroxide and Adapalene which can actually help treat that acne. Just one of these ingredients cannot do all that magic. I do want to stress that though Adapalene is much gentler than Tretinoin, it is just as effective as Tretinoin. It's much easier to tolerate on the skin, but that doesn't mean it doesn't come without any irritation. If you've never used any retinoids on your skin, you have to be careful. Now, Adapalene, Differin Gel, apart from helping acne-prone skin, it also comes with a lot of other benefits. The first thing it does is it fades the dark spots, especially the dark spots that can come once acne is healed. Now, that dark spots is because some of the cells in the top layer of the skin, they carry an excess amount of a molecule called melanin. So when Adapalene forces these old cells to fall off, the excess melanin that they were carrying inside of them, which was actually causing these dark spots, also goes away along with the cells. So off goes those dark spots. And then your sunspots, which have been caused due to exposure to sun's ultraviolet rays, they also can fade away quite a bit because of consistent regular use of Adapalene. If you struggle with rosacea, if your skin can tolerate Adapalene, Adapalene can help reduce the redness because adapalene has that anti-inflammatory property, and it also helps in reducing, fading some of those bumps. Also clears out sebaceous filaments. Now sebaceous filaments are not like blackheads. They're this tiny black dots. They usually appear in the front of the nose, and it won't be just one or two, it'll just be a group of them. So that's the sebaceous filaments. Now adapalene, because it works inside the pore to clear out all that the clogging, the clogging is what causing those sebaceous filaments. It gets rid of that sebaceous filaments. You can actually tell very easily for yourself if it's a sebaceous filament or a blackhead because they don't appear in just one or two, they come in a whole bunch. Adapalene also can help with the well aging of the skin. It sends messages to our skin cells to boost the production of collagen, and collagen is what keeps our skin bouncy and firm and with less fine lines and less wrinkles. All that magic is happening because of two main proteins in our skin, collagen and elastin, and collagen's production is boosted with adapalene's help. I do also want to mention that Differin Gel brand is not the only one which has got adapalene. 𝗟𝗏𝗄𝗃 is another brand which also sells this 0.1% adapalene. The way to use this gel is first is to be consistent. Don't expect any miraculous results in just a few days or few weeks. It takes months of consistent use. Before I get to how to actually use it, I do want to mention another important point. If you've never used retinoids on your skin, though adapalene is much less irritating than tretinoin, you still have to be careful because adapalene can still cause some irritation on your skin. So you always have to start out with the least irritating retinoid. The least irritating retinoid is retinol, and then get your skin used to the A derivatives, the retinoids. It takes skin to get used to retinoids. It's not like other skincare ingredients which can start working on our skin immediately. So start with retinol, get your skin used to it, then move to retinol, and then slowly get to adapalene. Now this moving to adapalene can either take a few weeks or months or maybe even a couple of years. So just be patient. You don't want to rush into it. Having said that, if you struggle with acne-prone skin, with the doctor's guidance, you can go to adapalene straight away. Use adapalene only in the night time. Make sure your face is all clean. Cleanse your face. If there is makeup on the face, please double cleanse. Make sure there's nothing left on the face. No oil, no dirt. And then start off with adapalene. Just a pea-sized amount is enough. Adapalene Differin Gel is not for spot treatment. You can't just put it in the spots where you have that problem. You have to apply it all over the face. And then wait for some time. Wait for a minute or slightly longer. And then apply a good moisturizer. Next day, just remember that your skin is going to be extra sensitive. So a sunscreen is a must. Sunscreen is a must every day. But on a night that you've used something like Differin Gel, sunscreen is an absolute must. And here's an important thing. After your acne clears off, after you've got the benefits that you thought you should get from Differin Gel, continue using it. Now this is not a skincare ingredient. Retinol is not a skincare ingredient. You use for some time, get the benefits and then stop. It's something that you have to use consistently. And another thing is, I'm in no way saying never use tretinoin. Only use adapalene. See, tretinoin also is extremely powerful. It is really good for our skin. So if your skin can get used to adapalene, then you can move to tretinoin as well, because tretinoin comes with own set of extra benefits too. I love tretinoin. That's about it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you found the video useful, please give me a like and do subscribe to my channel, because that will really help me a lot, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.